This is one thing that makes or breaks your tattoo, and it's probably not what you're thinking about. Choppy shading, poor line work, and poor colour saturation. Those are 3 things that will destroy your tattoo. But there's one more, something that is often overlooked, and that is placement. Now, I'm not talking about placing a tattoo on a part of the body where it might not go. I mean, that is a thing, but what we're looking at today is the size of the placement of the tattoo. And I seriously cannot tell you just how important it is for an aesthetically pleasing tattoo that you and your client will be proud of. What I tend to see far too often is a situation like this. Beep. Sorry to interrupt, guys, but my mentorship program is now live. A completely structured to your needs program with moi at your side every step of the way. Do not get sucked into a tattoo course where they give you 6 or 7 videos that you can find on YouTube and then a shit ton of follow along with absolutely zero guidance. My mentorship is as close to an apprenticeship without actually having an apprenticeship. You will get weekly check-ins, critiques, and full guidance from me on every single thing that you do, with information that I have learned over my decade and a half of tattooing that you will not find anywhere else. This program is also dynamic programming, which means it can be tailored to you and how fast or slow you learn. I am guaranteeing you success with full guidance, and you cannot get that from anywhere else. If you are interested, this is the email. You will also find it in the description. But guys, back to the video. Now, I don't want to chuck anyone under the bus, right? So for demonstration purposes, I'm just going to use a tattoo design. You see a cool tattoo that is perfectly executed, but look at all this remaining space. The tattoo looks like it's been stuck on there without a single care. There's no flow with the body whatsoever, and at this point, that is a waste of prime real estate. What you should be doing in all situations is fully utilizing the space that you have, no matter where the tattoo is placed on the body. By doing this, you eliminate all dead space and the need for any gap fillers. But just look how much better it fits the body. Now, obviously, there is exceptions to this, back pieces, for example. But on a side note, when you are doing your back pieces, please make sure you go up towards the side of the ribs, all right? Don't leave your back pieces short. You want to be going up to that curve. So you've watched this video and you thought, okay, big as possible, noted. But be careful, you can go too big. Generally, you don't want your tattoo to be that big that you will get in quite a bit of wrap on the tattoo. Now, depending on the tattoo, you can get away with wrap and it can look good. But try to keep the entire focal point of the piece in view. And if you slightly wrap on the sides, no big deal. The best way to know if you've gone too much or not is to visualize the photo at the end. As long as on the photo that I can see the full tattoo, and if it is wrapping, there is enough details before it wraps for your brain to make up the rest, then I am good. Now, having said all that, there will always be a barrier to this, especially if you are working on those larger areas. And that barrier will and always will be the client and the cost. The client may have a specific size in mind, and that size may be what we've just talked about. However, it is not very often that sizing is the issue. It always comes down to budget. And in that case, you as the artist, you need to sit down with your client and you need to explain those downsides and just try to come up with a plan that works for both. This could include moving the tattoo to a better placement so you can fill the area better while staying in budget. But there will be times in your career where you need to compromise with the client and you need to find a middle ground. But that middle ground, make sure your tattoo still looks good and it fits the area the best it possibly can for the room that the client's giving you. And if not, and you cannot come to that compromise, always be willing to walk away from the tattoo. But if you do want to ignore everything that I've just said, right, do your tattoos bigger anyway, because you are going to have an easier time, trust me. But guys, I will see you all in the next one. Peace out. Muchest love as always. Subscribe, turn on the bell, turn on notifications. You know what to do, man. Plenty of YouTubers have said it. Comment on the video, like the video, all that shit. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.